This is a proposal for ISPI Future. Improve and open the traditional conference. Embrace e-performance. Create and focus on online programs with our own content, and refocus on educational learning performance where the society started, organizational performance where Gary Rumbler, Don Tosti, Danny Langdon, and many others started as well, new developments, and societal performance where Roger Kaufman showed us the way. Creating brain hubs where all the experts, all ISPI experts are available for all ISPI participants. Improve and open traditional conference. What does this mean? Refocus on issues that matter. Educational performance. We have a serious educational crisis, not only in this country, but in every country, and the 21st century demands responses. We have the experts, but we are not offering that. We should. E-performance, how to use online tools to deliver performance as opposed to the old model of a manufacturing pre-online society. Individual and teams performance, adding organizational and societal performance. And refocus on our stakeholders. Who are our stakeholders? Educators, institutions and programs, knowledge workers, and virtual organizations that are starting to appear everywhere. Coaching, engagement and talent, client experience, process improvement, and corporate social responsibility, mega level, city doctors. Embracing e-performance. What this means? Filling brains versus filling hotels and meeting rooms. A dramatic cost reduction. Think of today, ISPI spends 80% of its budget in one single conference a year. Lower price point, wider audience. We have to be able to reach a much wider number of participants. And a 24/7 business cycle. We have to have all our experts, all our expertise continuously available. How? Web conference regularly open to international and US participants. Viewers are contributors. Instead of one a year, what about doing one a month or one each 2 months, doing one per continent or per area? So we have a common lingua franca that is English or international English, but we can access and we can work with time zones. We can do one conference per time zone as well. Think about it. A wiki model for contributors, so they keep engrossing, increasing our knowledge, our know-how with their contributions, and also debating, editing, and questioning with their own data, our own assumptions. Using social media channels, we have to have a YouTube channel, a LinkedIn channel, and a Facebook channel to reach out to all the community. Online programs plus, what this means? Well, means working with our own know-how, not just putting online content that could be interesting, but using our experts to produce online programs, and mastering business incubation, meaning focusing on developing new businesses, PhDs in social and organizational performance. We have done this since 2005 in Mexico, and we are planning to do that in Argentina and other places. Webinars that allow a larger number of participants in synchronous or asynchronous ways. Workshops, local workshops. We have to offer these programs online, and in piionline.org we have some. Finally, refocusing on, here we have the example of city doctors, education, business, communities and cities where our problems happen. If we are going to do a conference in Montreal, we should focus on Montreal. Montreal is our lab for everything that we are going to present in Montreal. That if we focus on cities, we can focus on education and say, okay, this is about K-12, or this is about college education, or business, and then we go there. Partnerships, refocus on establishing partnership with different specialties according to which one of the tracks, and working much more in virtual and social. Finally, brain hubs. What means this? Well, basically, online articles, connection with local partners that can also be producing and discussing content, other organizations, sponsors, and vendors, and proposals to local partners